everybody. Welcome back to another episode of Learn to Play Marimba. But today we're going to dance the Jeruselema Dance Challenge. In February 2020, the Angolan dance troupe Phenomenos do Semba created the viral #Jerusalema Dance Challenge video that showed off their dance moves to the South African hit song Jeruselema. This should not be confused with the Mbende Jerusarema Dance in Zimbabwe. Historically a traditional fertility dance between men and women, this energetic dance is accompanied by polyrhythmic drumming, wood blocks, clapping, and whistling. Mbende Jerusarema is now used in social settings and danced by all ages. Although we play and teach music from Zimbabwe, we wanted to include this Angolan viral dance challenge in a Kutandara virtual ensemble video that everyone could dance and enjoy together. Former student and alumna Brianna Wilson joked with us that if we would include the dance challenge in our next video, she would teach it. So here she is. Thanks, Brianna.
Hello, Randy and Amy. So I'm going to teach you the Jerusalema dance step that I know. And please excuse the tiny space I'm in because, COVID in grad school. So I put two different colored socks on so you can see this is my left foot with the polka dots. This dance, you always your left foot always goes first. And then this sock with the sea otter on it is my right foot. Okay, then I've put these microfiber cleaning cloths down. So this is our starting point, the silver one. We're going to start on the silver one. Now, the basic of the step is 4 with your left foot out. 1, 2, 3, 4. You can do it with your toe or your heel or whatever, honestly. So 4 left foots and then 4 right foots. And then 1, 2, 3, 4. We're switching back and forth. So far we've got 1, 2, 3, 4. Right, 2, 3, 4, left, right, left, right. And then, so you've got your right foot forward and your left foot back. So you want to go 1 so that your left foot lands on 1. So you've got 1, 2, 3, 4, right, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3. Ow, it's really. And then you pivot to your left. So right now I'm facing forward, and then you pivot to your left. And you're going to go, you lead with your left foot. You kind of tap across first on 1, 1, 2, 3, 4. So I'm facing this direction. I'm on my starting one. And the last part of the step is to go 1, 2, 3, 4. So the whole thing, starting on our silver one, left, 2, 3, 4, right, 2, 3, 4, left, right, left, 2, 3, 4, left, 2, 3, 4, right, 2, 3, 4. And you can see on 4, you are back with your right foot, and then you start the dance over. So then I do 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Remember, pivot left. So your butt's to the camera. Make sure your butt looks good. 1, 2, 3, 4. And then you go backwards. 1, 2, 3, 4. So now you've ended up on your next square, the tan one. And with your back to the camera, well, not the camera, audience, whatever, you do the step again. So left, 2, 3, 4, right, 2, 3, 4, left, right, left, right, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. So see, now you've ended up here on the blue one, and this side of you is the camera. So then 1, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Pivot left. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. See, and you've ended up right in the same place. So crucial things, you always start with your left foot for the 1, 2, 3, 4s. And you always, when you're doing a forward step, you always pivot 90 degrees to your left. So there's no part of this where you're doing the step once on the left side, once on the right side, or like pivoting different directions. Like it looks confusing because it's a line dance and there's like these 4 spots. And it also looks like, oh my gosh, you might need this huge space for everyone, but you don't. As long as everyone starts, you know, the leftmost person has room to move to their right or whatever. You know what I mean? So it's always like 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, forward, pivot left, do the step to the left, and then backwards, and you're starting here. Blah, blah, go forward, pivot left, this way, and then back, do the steps. So it's always forward, pivot left, walk left, and then back, again, forward, pivoted left, and then back. Okay, that was just me like demonstrating the spacing, not like the actual steps. Okay, so let me do it to the music now. Okay, you get the point. I'm out of breath, so we have to stop. Yeah, okay. Like main things I guess are like if you're like drifting off yonder, something's wrong because like you only need like a square with 4 points. And yeah, it's you always should like end up with your left foot forward on the 1, 2, 3, 4, like the beginning of the dance. And that shouldn't like you don't have to do any weird footwork in any place.
Now let's watch current adult student Becky Bragg dance the Jeruselema Dance Challenge to the Shamwari guide track. Doesn't she make it look effortless? Thanks, Becky. 1,